Oh, hi there. It's so good to see you. Let's all wave hello.
Hello, hello, welcome to the Wiggle Show. Hello, hello, it's lovely to see you.
Yes, it's so great to see you. We're here in the
Wiggly Kitchen.
and we're going to play a game called Name That Kitchen Sound.
I'll make the kitchen sound first, and then Sahai, you have to guess what the kitchen sound is. Ready? Here it comes. Now, what kitchen sound was that?
Is it a blender?
That's right. It is a blender.
Now it's my turn to make the kitchen sound. Ready? Here it comes. Now can you guess what kitchen sound that was, Evie?
Is it a milk frother?
You're right, it is a milk frother.
There are so many fun sounds in the Wiggly Kitchen.
Hey, but what's this I see?
What's this right here that I can see? I'm not too sure what it could be. Can you see it? You can see it. Let's look closely at what it could be.
Long and thin and knotted all round. It's green in colour and it grows in the ground. Do you know what it could be? I think you're right. It's some hay.
It's hay, Sahai.
Hey, Evie.
No, it's hey, Sahai.
Hey.
Yes, hay.
Ah, hey.
But what do you do with some hay?
Ride a cock horse to Banbury Cross to see a fine lady upon a white horse. Rings on her fingers and bells on her toes, she shall have music wherever she goes. Ride a cock horse to Banbury Cross to see a fine lady upon a white horse. Rings on her fingers and bells on her toes, she shall have music wherever she goes.
Evie and I were in the Wiggly Kitchen and we came across this hay, but we have no idea what to do with it.
Hey, that's very interesting indeed. But you're in luck because I've got my thinking cape on. So hopefully we can find a solution to this problem. Let me think.
Yes.
Ah.
Yes, yes.
Ooh.
Yes, yes, yes.
I think I've got it. Yes, having thought about this long and hard and with the help of my thinking cape, there's only one thing to do.
Yes?
You need to go and visit the Dancing Water Police of Wiggletown. With their supreme level of dance ability and high level of intelligence, bing, and wit, they'll know exactly what to do.
Well, come on then. Let's go.
And don't spare the horses.
Look, it's the Dancing Water Police of Wiggletown.
Hi, Dancing Water Police of Wiggletown. We need your help. Sahai and I were in the Wiggly Kitchen and we found this hay, but we have no idea what to do with it.
Well, you come to the right place. We're here to help.
They're the Wiggletown Dancing Water Police. With a smile, they are here to please. Admiral, Captain, and the sailors too.
Come on, chaps, we've got some dancing to do.
Dance. They dance. Rap. They rap. Formed in 1871. They just dance and have lots of fun. Drinking tea, they say, they say.
Let's dance, rap, jazz, or some jolly ballet.
You've got a problem you can't face. The water police are on the case. We're jumping up, we're breaking it down. We're the Dancing Water Police of Wiggletown. You've got some hay, what to do? Give it to Ponzo, then bust a move. You got some hay, what to do? Give it to Ponzo, then bust a move.
Dance. They dance. Rap. They rap. They're the Wiggletown Dancing Water Police. With a smile, they are here to please.
Thanks, Dancing Water Police of Wiggletown.
I'm sure Ponzo will love this hay, Sahai.
There's apples, bananas, bat and ball. There's also Jack and Jill. But have you heard of that friendly duo riding over that hill? A more handsome couple may never have been found. For it's Ponzo the purple pony and Lockie from Wiggletown.
P-O-N-S-O. Everybody say, go slow, Ponzo. Go slow, Ponzo. Giddy up, you champion racehorse. Well, Ponzo's the purple pony with a dash of pink. And if you all look closely, he might give you a wink. Ponzo and I ride slowly, for that's the speed we go. So please say go slow when you hear P-O-N-S-O. Oh, P-O-N-S-O. Everybody say go fast, Ponzo. No. Go fast, Ponzo. I said go slow. Ponzo. Ponzo, slow down, you champion racehorse. No, everybody, I said go slow. Not say go fast. Ah. Ponzo. Whoa, 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 whoa. You champion racehorse, slow down. Can you say go slow again, please? Whoa, Ponzo. Ah! When does this end?
Lockie, we have some hay for Ponzo. We found it in the Wiggly Kitchen and thought Ponzo might like it.
Oh, thank you so much, everybody. Ponzo loves hay. Now, Ponzo, eat slowly. Oh, no, Ponzo, eat slowly. Everybody say, Ponzo, eat slowly.
Ponzo, eat slowly.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.